Hi everyone, welcome back to my favourite things. Still in the laundry, I'd like to introduce you to PreSpot Laundry Stain Remover. PreSpot Laundry Stain Remover is 4 times concentrated. Remember, you add the water, so you don't carry home water, and you save 3 single-use plastic bottles while saving 44% on the regular supermarket equivalent refill. Every mum knows about stains on clothes. You know, those stubborn stains that need the extra bit of attention to remove? If I see any stubborn stains or spots, out comes my trusty PreSpot. I find it's really effective pre-wash on any fabric. For common protein stains such as mud, blood and milk, starch stains such as tomato sauce, mustard and gravy, tannin stains that include spots from coffee, tea, wine, fruits and juices, and of course makeup. My simple advice to make the most of your PreSpot in the laundry is to apply to stains as soon as possible, agitate the stain, let it sit for a minute, pop it in the wash. It's safe for all colour-fast washable fabrics. And if I'm not washing right away, I spray PreSpot on the stain, agitate it a bit and pop it in cold water to soak. Its gentle enzyme action does not damage or fade fabrics. You can keep a spray pack of PreSpot Instant in your purse, pocket, briefcase or backpack to remove those on-the-go spills with gentle hydrogen peroxide. My grandchildren love this. The trick here is to simply, by following these easy steps, first, roll liquid solution onto stain until completely covered. Next, wipe off any excess before exposing to direct sunlight. Let it dry, then reapply if necessary. PreSpot gel has a scrub brush to add some muscle to remove heavy stains. I use this for removing stains and spots on fabric upholstery, but remember, a test is in an inconspicuous corner is a good idea. I tend to rinse it off with clear water and dry it off, feathering the edges. Thanks for listening, and I'll look forward to sharing more of my favourite things as we share our shopping club's wonderful inventory. Bye for now, see you next time. Till then, blue skies.